Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing so you get a clean, controlled puncture. First, wash and dry your hands to lower infection risk. Next, load the TrueDraw device and choose a lancet depth for your skin. Make sure the safety cap is set, then pick a lateral finger site. This is less painful and produces steady blood flow. Once done, cleanse the site with an alcohol pad and let it air dry. Now position the device firmly against the finger and press to trigger the lancet. After the puncture, you'll focus on getting a clean sample without hemolysis. Apply gentle pressure above the puncture site, don't squeeze the fingertip, so blood pools and forms a steady drop. Hold your collection tube or capillary at a slight angle toward the drop. This helps the sample flow in rather than splatter. If instructions say to discard the first drop, wipe it away with gauze, then continue collecting until you reach the required 0.5 to 0 milliliter. Make sure tubing and transfers stay steady to preserve sample integrity. To finish, you'll secure the site and preserve the sample. Immediately apply firm pressure with gauze and keep it elevated for 3 to 5 minutes to stop bleeding, then place a clean dressing. Seal and label tubes per kit instructions, date and time matter for analysis, and dispose of the used lancet into a sharps container. If blood flow stops before you collect enough, warm the hand or let it hang below the heart to increase flow. If bleeding is excessive or won't stop, seek medical attention right away.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.